right here on my screen is a payment proof of 20 USDT. And not just that, I've been earning countless of USDT, be it and a lot of amount of, not one particular amount of USDT, daily, weekly, hourly on this particular update, guys. If you look at it very well, you will see the payment is in Matic network, guys. So this is the particular update that I'm earning from this particular update. So you can see it's on your own. I've been earning a lot of USDT from this particular place. So in today's video, we are going to talk about this particular update that has been giving me tons and a lot of USDT, which I always make more than $10 every day or more from this particular update. And the update is none other one than Katli, which I've been sharing on my channel for a very long time now, and for you guys to watch this video attentively and see how you can start earning from it even without investment and the starting point. So first of all, what I have to do is to make sure that I place withdrawal. So what I have to do is to enter the amount of Katli which I have here, because this is actually a pre-sale of a project that is launching soon. What I have to do is to enter the exact amount which I have here and then click on sell now, because I'm selling the token. So I just want to make a live withdrawal first before any other thing. So the next thing is for me to now introduce the platform for you guys. So this is a project that is launching. So it's a meme token. Actually, look at it over here. If you launch their homepage, landing page, you will see it. It's a meme token that is going to be listed as for with time. So in the meme token, people are doing the pre-sale. You guys know how pre-sale works. So people are currently doing the pre-sale right now, and with the pre-sale, after the pre-sale, they are going to launch. So now the pre-sale is what people are using to make money, and them also are making money with the pre-sale, because if you buy the pre-sale with $0.04, you're gonna sell it with look at it over here. The buying of it is $1 is equal to 0.004 USDT, but buying back from it, if you want to sell it again, they're gonna buy it from at 0.00333. So you're gonna, if you buy immediately and want to sell immediately, that means you're not going to make money from it. But their listing price is 0.0066 USDT. But where people make money on it is that they buy it and they stake it, guys. So if you go over to this particular place, you will see staking. So if you click on stake over here, it's going to ask you how much you are going to stake, and if you stake it, it's going to be giving you 3% of it every single day. And make sure that to do this update, you need to have a Binance account. So you are going to stake it, and when you're staking it, they'll be giving you 3% of it every single day for 15 days. And after 15 days, the amount that you stake is going to come back to your account, and you choose to maybe sell off or withdraw. So you're not staking by USDT, you're not staking BNB, you are staking Katli token. You're staking their token. So how do you stake it? Go over to your home page over here, and then you have to buy it first, because you don't stake. But first of all, once you're done signing up, they're gonna give you a 500 Katli, which, as you can see on my own, my 500 Katli airdrop have ended. Look at it over here. I staked it and I keep on withdrawing USDT from it every single day until the staking period ended, and the 500 Katli is now kept on my account waiting for the listing date so that they will unlock it for me. So you can earn from it and withdraw without investment. That is it. But the part where you can make more money, just like I'm making money, almost 12 to 15 USDT every day from Katli, is very simple. All you need to do is to buy a minimum of, even if it's $1 worth of Katli. If your minimum stake is 250 Katli. 250 Katli is the minimum stake. So what you have to do is to go ahead and click on buy on this top. And first of all, signing up, in case you guys don't know how to sign up, once you follow the link in the description and signing up on it, they are gonna ask you for your Binance email, Binance wallet address, Binance USDT BEP20 wallet address, and they're gonna send you a little amount of USDT, just a little amount of USDT, 0.00 something amount of USDT, to make sure that account is a Binance account. The USDT that is going to send to you is going to look like something like this. So just copy this amount of USDT and paste it where they will ask you for the verification code, that is this amount, and you input it, and they are gonna reward you with that 500 cattle, and then you can then start mining, staking the cattle and earnings from it. So next thing for you to do is to go ahead and buy, even if it is $1 worth of cattle, minimum of $1 worth of cattle, because $1 worth of cattle is equal to 250 cattle, and 250 cattle minimum staking is 100 cattle. So if you buy, even if it's $1 worth of cattle and it's going to stake for you, you are not going to lose it. After 15 days it will come back to your account, and every day it will be giving you 3% of it. So if you want to make a huge amount of money, you can start with $100, $10, $2, $4, $5. You want to be making a lot of money with it, just invest what you can afford to lose. I always say it, invest what you can afford to lose, so that whatever happens, you will know that you can survive it. So once you copy this wallet address given to you, go over to your account and then pay $1 worth of cattle minimum or more to start earning 3% of it every single day. And once you're done sending it and your network confirmed it, it's going to be in Binance Merchant Network. Click on payment confirm, and your amount is going to come to your account. And next thing you have to do is to click on stake over here and stake whatever you bought. And after entering the amount, scroll up a bit and click on stake now, and every single day is going to be giving you 3%. So as for me, you can see it, I'm staking $99 worth of cattle, and some of it is almost over a week now, and I keep on making a lot of money with it. So that is it. And once you want to sell, it's just the same process. Go over to this place. Minimum sellout is 60 cattle. Just sell out. As for now, we are buying it and staking it and earning reward. And whenever they launch, they will know the next thing to do. So 300 buying price is 250 cattle equals to $1, but buying price is 300 cattle equals to $1. So you guys can see they are making money off it, while we are making money off the staking. So you guys can see it. And so minimum withdrawal is 60 cattle, and there is no withdrawal charges. And once you withdraw, they are gonna send it to you as USDT. And as you can see, the deposit is now completed, and as you can see, this deposit of 6.04 USDT is now successful and completed on my account. So this is how I'm using cattle to be making lots and lots of USDT, and I've made around I've completed around $10 that I made today. So if you want to earn from it, the bigger your investment, the bigger your returns. So that's just it. Remember, 3% every day, and buying $0.04 and selling $0.33. So it is staking that is going to help you earn reward and then sell back. So that is it. I hope you guys got value from it, and if you do so, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more updates, and join my WhatsApp group. And once again, this is ABK Crypto, and my name still remains Viking. See you guys on my next video. Bye.